Today I'm at the Alabama Point East Public Beach Access. It is just on the east side of the Perdido Pass, underneath the Perdido Pass Bridge. There's a large parking area underneath the bridge itself, in addition to this little small area over here near the picnic areas and the bathroom facilities. It does have shaded picnic areas. And a little bathroom area there. That was the shortest boardwalk to the beach. This next one is one of the longer ones, but it takes you all the way out to the point. We have Perdido Pass there on the right, and then out past the jetties here, Gulf of Mexico. So the longer boardwalk will take you where you can go Gulf Front or on the pass. Gulf of Mexico there. Perdido Pass. And the Perdido Pass Bridge. There's Cobalt Restaurant underneath the bridge on the other side there, and the Caribe just to the right of it. There is another boardwalk area that's just to the right of that picnic area there, just to the left of it when you're coming from the parking lot, that starts out as a sand path that goes all the way down until it nearly gets to the dunes, and then becomes an elevated wooden path that takes you straight to the Gulf. And that is the Alabama Point East Public Beach Access. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.